Hey everyone! This summer I went to Comic-Con in San Diego and I actually bought some stuff at the Pop Mart. It was a vending machine. It was crazy. I waited in line for over an hour to buy some stuff. So I thought maybe I'd open these things. I've already opened them, but I'll open them again. Let's just have a look so you can see what... Oh, I'm doing it with one hand. Oh my gosh. This one is HaciPupu, and it is the gummy bear series, and they smell. They're really cute. So those are the choices. I might have to do this in 2 parts. Oops. So let's see what we got. And it's the blue one. It's blueberry. It's so cute. It's like, oh, about the same size as La Boo Boo. Okay, there's that one. This one's pretty popular too. I wasn't sure what the heck I was buying because I didn't have time to look at the stuff on Apple. And there were no La Boo Boos in the box. Okay, this one. Oh, this is called Crying Again. It is the, let's see, I think, yeah, there's 8 choices here. And this one, oh, it is the one that looks like Alice in Wonderland. It's so weird because it's got these like, you know, plastic things for her tears. But she's actually probably the most popular one. So there's a theme here. Blue. Okay, that's part 1. I'm gonna have to stop this and do the other 2 in a second.